I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to order our bespoke logo cracker kits for your business or event. First, pick your style. Will it be single logo, all over print, or a mix of both? Now choose your option and cracker size. You can choose from the crackers only, with no snaps, perfect for product packaging. Crackers with snaps only, or the option for snaps, hats and jokes. Then select your cracker size. Dimensions for each size are in the description, and there is also a handy image of the two sizes together on the product for you to compare. When you've decided, choose your quantity. You can have any number from a minimum order of 35 crackers. The more you buy, the cheaper the per cracker cost will become. Now add your logo. We accept both square and rectangular image ratios. You can find the image requirements in the product description. This image will be used in the placement shown in the product photo. When your image has uploaded, add the product to cart. Once you have completed your purchase, we'll send one PDF proof to the email address that the order is placed with. You can check that you're happy, and then your crackers will be printed and on their way to you. Simple.